Okay, so hey guys, what's up? Welcome to our new live stream, and it's been a year. Okay, so this has been a long time, and today in this stream, as you have seen in the thumbnail and in the title, I'm gonna vibe. So hey guys, what's up? Welcome to this. Okay, so I'm gonna vibe code my SaaS application, and yeah, that's it. Okay, so right now, if you go towards luminex.com, then this is the website that we are working on, and you can see, you can tell about this website by looking at the hero section. We provide top AI models in one platform, and the main feature is that we provide all those models in so cheap price. Okay, so you can see some basic.
According to this old sea chart, the loss.
Okay, so these are the demo, and here you can see we got Sora 2 Pro, Kling, Imagen, Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana 2, VEO, and Grok, C-Dance. We got all this model, and we are consistently trying to add a lot of models, so our user will get access to wide varieties of models in just so cheap price. Okay, and if you look at the pricing, then you can see we provide all those models for about $5 a month. It's like a cup of coffee. It's like for $5 you can get access to all those models, and you can get access to storage, 15 days storage, unlimited workspace, and you can see all this stuff. I'll put the link right here in the chat. There's no one still, let me put. Okay, so yeah, this is the business that we've been working on, and it's almost been I guess 7 months. Yeah. Okay, so today I'll be working on this landing section because I've coded this, so there's a bunch of bugs and broken links, so I'm gonna fix that. But okay, so let me. Yo, what's up? Yes, bro, welcome to the stream. Yep, bro, it is live. You can go check it out at luminex.com. You can just directly search Luminex, and you will get that in the first. Yeah. Go give it a try, and I'll love to know what do you think about this application, all the feedback. Okay, we're just still in the development phase. Yeah, you can just give it a try. The dashboard looks like this, and so we are giving 100 free credits right now, and I think 100 free credits is enough for any new users to test this platform. But in future we can definitely increase that, and we also provide you daily 20 credits, so you can daily log in and claim 20 credits. Okay, so this is the dashboard, and in the main which I think is do you provide API? No, we don't provide API, so we let people access top models in one single platform. So let me show you. Okay, so if I go on image generation, then you can see the top models like Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana 2, Nano Banana Imagen V4. And in the video generation, we provide lots of models such as Kling, C-Dance 2, VEO, Sora, Grok, and we are also planning to add lots of new models in future. So these are the model that we currently provide right now, and Sora is not working right now because the success rate of Sora is not that good, but we are working to fix that because OpenAI just announced that they are stopping their service. So I don't know, that's why maybe, or yeah, I guess that's might be the reason. So that's why Sora is not working. How, bro, are you burning money? Yeah, currently we are burning money. Um, our cox is high right now. So in future, if we get if we market this well, then we will definitely be in profit. So, but for now we're just burning money. like while developing this. And yeah, you can give it a try. You can see like the generation over here I made, like all those generation. And which I think the most is the like, like personally in my opinion I love this workspace pretty much. Let me show you this workspace. Okay, so here you can see. Okay, so I was working on this project, and first I uploaded an imagination node, then I used Nano Banana Pro to generate this face sheet of a character, and I like this one. Then I use this, and you can see I use this wire diagram, which makes like video and image generation so much easier, because I don't have to download this image and go to new page to generate the video. If I want, then I can do that as well, but inside the workspace all those things are organized in one like single page. See, I can access many features right here. Even I can access face swap, extract frame, enhance speech, text generation, video generation, image generation, everything in this single workspace. And you can see the generation right here, like all the images, like they are pretty realistic, and the character is pretty consistent because I've been using this uh, as a reference, so my character is consistent all over the scene. Kind of like free pick. Yeah, you can say it's kind of like free pick, but they provide like a lot of generation. I've checked their workspace as well. I guess it's space over there, but it's different. Like, but it's, you can say it's like similar, but exactly not the same. Where's your app deployed? What's your stack? Object storage, DB backend. So I'm using White for the front end and Next.js for the back end, and I have I'm using Convex for the database, and my project is deployed on Coolify on Hexner server. So previously I was using Vercel, but in the Vercel I just like there was a bunch of limit, so that's why I recently moved to Hexner. I purchased one Hexner server, and it was around $12, I guess. Yeah, and then I installed Coolify on that, and right now it's hosted on Coolify. And for the data, for the storage, we use Cloudflare R2 bucket. They provide 10 GB of storage for absolutely free, and after that, they will charge, and it's not that high. But it was kind of difficult at first to figure out all those stuff, you know. Yeah, yeah. Virtual is like too expensive, and like it was working absolutely fine. But once I hit the limit, then I was like, oh man, like this pricing is so crazy. And I was looking for some cheap alternative, and um, I choose Hegner because it was cheap, and like the server I purchased 160 storage and 8 GB RAM server, I guess. Yeah, I use that, and it has 4 processor, I guess. Yeah, and this server is like handling this application. Yeah, it's working smoothly, and I was planning to go with the Amazon AWS, but it was also kind of expensive for me to start out everything to cloud. Right now, only the storage is in the Cloudflare. We store the media, all the generated images and other stuff in the Cloudflare, and yeah, in future we can do that. But I'm yeah, for now we are just using Cloudflare for storage only. I was using Convex to store the data, like the video, but I didn't knew that it will calculate the file bandwidth as well. And I was like I got a email one day, and I was like, oh shit, it was like over exceeded by 10 times, I guess. Yeah, it was like 10 GB of how much does it cost now to run your app, including everything. It's so cheap, I guess. It does not cross over $100, because I'm mm, like I have already paid for Convex and Vercel for a few months, but after that I switches, and right now it cost me around you can say 15 for the server, and it depends upon. Okay, so 15. Let's just take 15 for the server and 20 for the Convex, and other. Yeah, it's around 50, you can say. It's just 50 right now, and we don't have much traffic, so we're gonna purchase like high server once we get like a lot of traffic, but it's around 50. The more like right now we're burning a lot of money in API, so that's why it's like costing us. We're we're trying to make every model accessible. So that's why our money is burning on like this API of all those things. I need to transfer everything to Cloudflare. It costs 5 years to run, like including hosting and other stuff. But I do like Cloudflare. I mean, their free service is like, I mean, I didn't knew about that, but when I hit that limit on my Convex and I did some research, and Cloudflare was like providing 10 GB of storage and without any bandwidth, without costing any bandwidth charges. And I was like, oh shit, why is this free, man? And I just switched my storage towards that. But right now, I just purchased Hexner. So let's try it out for 1 month and let's see what happens in 1 month. And if I like that, then it's okay. But if Hexner gives some error, like if it becomes so laggy, then we will definitely switch to that. Is everything hosting R21? Okay, yeah. Mm, I'll think about that. But for this month, we're gonna try with Hexner cause we just purchased Hexner server for 1 month. So yeah, we have plenty of time. So in this 1 month, I will do like some research and then I'll look at that as well. Let me let me turn the AC. It's so hot right now. What's your MAU? Like we just launched a few months and we're just testing out. Basically, we started doing the marketing like 7 days ago, and we're not mm, like that much grown up. We're just around 50 users, I guess. Yeah, monthly active user. No, we're not spending on marketing because I'm planning to like gain organic users, um, but we're also planning to spend something on marketing once the product is ready, because right now some APIs are not stable, and if we like directly start marketing, then user will get bad experience, so which we don't want. So right now we're like spending our budget on API to make them special stable. We're planning to make the API, like we are planning to integrate more providers, so if one provider fails, then we can transfer it to another. That's we are thinking right now. And once every model becomes stable, then we're planning to spend on marketing. Right now, yeah, we're mostly doing organic marketing. Marketing is not like that much big deal for us right now, because um, I have like worked on social media marketing agency, and our I've seen Cloudflare tech handle 10K user per day. What? 10K user per day in 5 EST? Wait, that's crazy. Wait. Yeah, how can see more details about this. Okay, free pro. It provides limited bills, custom domain. I'll check that out. For now, for this month, I'll be sticking with Hexner. Mm, yeah. Okay. So where I was. Okay, I'm gonna hide the stream for one because I'm gonna open my cursor. Wait a second. Stream hide. All right. Now it's okay. Someone open a new chat. Full screen this one. Right now I just hit limit on my cursor as well. And I tried upgrading, but my card is declined. I don't know what's there. Which mobile provider is you behind the scene? Replicate. Model provider. We're actually not sticking to one. We have talked with a lot of providers, and currently, I'm not gonna like say the name, but we are using a provider. And they are in London. Yeah. So it's a London-based company, and we're using their provider. And we're not sticking with only one. We're like right now we have three providers, and like I'm planning to integrate up to minimum five providers. So in the future, if anything goes like we got a lot of traffic, then this will be handled without compromising on the speed and the quality. But for now, we have only three. Okay. Yep. Let me full screen this. This one is the cheapest for Nano Banana model. Nano Banana, I like tried a lot of providers, but the one thing I was facing is the speed, and I even like tried that $300 Google plan. I mean, like they provide like you need to enter your card details, and they will provide $300 worth of credits to generate images. And I tried that, and I'm planning to integrate the Nano Banana from official Google because the speed is too slow in other. Like right now, if you right now we don't we have integrated the providers one over here, and it will take around 2 minutes to generate. Yeah, approximately 130 to 2 minutes. So that's why I'm planning to like for the image I want I'm planning to add new models as well, and I want to like optimize their speed. So like I'm just focusing on the UI at first, cause like all the basic function like image generation we have top models, and for the video generation we also have like not that top model, but we are integrating. So Kling 3.0, that threw some error, and we are still working on that. But we had Kling 2.6, Seed Dance, and like Seed Dance is like kind of like crazy. I just love that. Seed Dance and Kling, like these are the best model. And VEO 3.1 fast, it's also crazy. So I'm planning to add like more image generation model that can be more faster. Are you working alone on this, or yeah, I have one co-founder, and we just hire some freelancers, like we just go on the Upwork and we hire them, and they will do a specific part and then we pay them, and that's it. But like we are two people working on this project, and when we like don't know anything, then we just hire someone from Upwork. Well, like Stripe is also giving us throwing some error, and right now we are like going with the clerk pricing table. So the this is the like Stripe is all also there. Like when you pay from here, then everything will go in Stripe, but like there's only limited, like only card payment method this support. So I want like few more options. That's why I'm planning to like switch on Stripe. I got my Stripe account ready already, but I don't know like all the connection and other stuff. Wait, what did I do? Okay, so I was okay. Thank you, bro. Yeah, I'm planning to Stripe is almost, yeah, I have tried that, but I'm stuck on the webhook point between like development and environment server. The webhook is giving error or the, yeah, I'm not in India. Like you think that I'm from India. Like but most of the people say that like because my accent is Indian, but I'm not actually from India. But like, what do you think this pricing? What do you think about the pricing? Is it fair, or is it like so cheap, like so expensive or so cheap, or like what do you think about the pricing? So like $4, almost $5. Like what am I saying? Oh, yeah, it's $5 yearly, and it's $10 monthly. So what do you think about the pricing? I think it's very cheap. Yeah, like I'm planning to make it more cheaper, but like I might increase the credit to 1.5k, and I'll increase this to 5k. Let's see, like where we go. Like it will be on the. It depends upon the users. So right now I think it's very cheap to me also. Because Hicksfield and other platform that I tried are like so expensive. Yeah, we are burning right now. We are in phase of burning, but it won't take too much to get hit our ROI, because it will take only around 50 people if they join our subscription, any of the subscription, then we are already um, hitting our ROI. And like the cool thing is we are also integrating the consistent AI UGC. Like I got that inspiration by looking at Hicksfield and Architects, if you know about them. Like they are like, I think they are just overhyped, because is it Bootstrap? I think, right? No, I'm not using Bootstrap, man. It's Tailwind. I use Tailwind right now. I just last time I used Bootstrap was like 2 years ago, I guess. But like I'm switching to Tailwind. I like completely. Now I use Tailwind everywhere. Okay, so what I was telling is this AI model. So here you can create your own AI model, or you can upload any reference image to create AI model. So for like I have created these two AI models, and the best thing is that you can create consistent images and videos like within just a few click. Okay, so just click on generate image and here enter your prompt, then you will get the image of this model. So you can see this one that I have generated, and like it's not like you don't have to write lengthy prompt. Even if you write a simple prompt, then you will get realistic results like this. I mean, just look at the skin details. You can see like this pimple and all the textures, the sands and the skin, like the lightning and other stuff. Like it's it's too realistic. Like not too, but it's realistic enough to make people think like it's not AI. And this
You
kind of
might think
videos.
I am real, but I'm actually an AI generated via Luminex.
Right now it uses video to generate the video, but like it we're planning to switch to clean, so it will be more accurate and more realistic, you know. I mean, you do not have funding for this stuff. No, like so basically we run social media marketing agency as well, and from there all the revenue we are splitting that, and the revenue goes right here. Okay, so mostly we handle like all those stuff like such as scripting and video editing, and like scripting, video editing, and all the stuff like running ads for different brands, and it's all locally, so it's not like that too complex, but we provide them result and they provide us money, and from that we fund this. We are funding Luminex. Right now it's kind of automated, you can say. We are automating the social media marketing. We are basically outsourcing. You plan to scale this with me? Yeah, absolutely. Once everything is ready, once like cause I'm the one like working on this API stuff. So I want it to be perfect because we are small right now. We don't have huge amount of team. So if I run ad right now, then uh, if suddenly a lot of people came into our website and start creating, then what if we hit like error in in those API provider? Then I don't want that, because uh, alone me working to fulfill that, to fix that error will be a like headache for me. So first I want the API to get perfect. I want it to make I want it to handle a lot of users at a time, and then only I'm going to market it, because marketing is like so easy, man. People like, you just have to, like, marketing is so easy. It's not about the user, but it's about like how the application can handle those users. So I'm working on this application, and once it once all the provider and all those stuff are set up, then we're gonna run meta ads, and it will be in huge quantity. Like we're gonna run like a bunch of meta ads. Running meta ads against SaaS is a good idea. Yeah, meta opens that on their one, but I think we can customize that as well. Wait a second, hold on. We will try Meta and Google Ad as well. We're gonna try every like ad services. We're gonna try over the TikTok, over the Pinterest. I don't think LinkedIn. Yeah, but LinkedIn is also kind of good. But yeah, mostly we'll be focusing on Facebook cause a lot of people are there, and um, like I'm planning to do this way as well. So we're gonna provide a bunch of templates and like marketing those templates because I've been seeing a lot of competitors doing that. They are just marketing, they are creating basic templates and they market that template and they will get traffic over here. So we're also trying that, and right now we have three templates. So this lets you upload any image and turn that into this POV shot, and here you just need to upload your image and it will do the rest of the thing. And we have product photo shoot and GTA view portrait. So yeah, I'm also working on those images. So yeah, I think this one will also be amazing. Yeah, like marketing it via template, because many people I've seen many of the um, people doing that. And like the best thing is the crazy thing is they are getting traffic as well. Like they are all paid, they are paid to enter, but they are still getting traffic and users. So it has potential. We just need to market it right way, and we are also providing them free access, so we can stand on this. All right, so coming up to the landing page, this hero section is perfect, but I just want to like edit this one. 100 plus AI model, that's kind of clickbait. This section is okay, but we're gonna change the UI. But right now, for the context, this is okay. For the context, this is also okay. This is also okay. We need to do some changes. Mm, for that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna head over to the Grok. And here, what I'm gonna do is I'll copy this. And I'll let the Grok to cook this one. And for the creators, I think it will be better if this is in MarkU. For the pricing, it is okay. Have you vibe coded it fully? Not fully. Like I just vibe coded this. You can say around 70%, 60 to 70%. I just vibe coded it like few features, not few, like most of the UI and all other pages. But for some complex features, we just hired people from Upwork and we let them do that task, and based on that we pay them. But vibe coding is like really good. I mean, if it is, it's out there, so you need to take advantage of that. So I've used 60 to 70% on this project, and other we just hire random people from the Fiverr to do a specific task, and we just pay them for that task. Right now my card is not working on cursor, it is declining. That's why I'm being unable to purchase again, because I have already hit my pro limit, and it resets on April 7, which means I need to wait for 5 days more. I guess I shall use this one. Like the pro one, so it will like work for a longer period of time. Okay, so let's see what Grok did. Okay, Luminex video generation API. Okay, just used our I wanted to search for all the competitors of Luminex, and I wanted to create a complete table explaining why Luminex is better. And for Luminex, right now we don't have API access, and most of the features are for Pro and Ultra. So based on that, like first I wanted to scrap Luminex website, and based on the information you gather from there, then I wanted to search for the competitors, and I wanted to compare all of them, and I wanted to show that the Luminex is better, and it will be used in the hero section. So I want you to uh, do the research accordingly. What's this one? Have you used Cloud Code? Yeah, I've tried Cloud Code, but I'm not like used to that. The terminal, I don't get a lot of stuff. I just purchased the cloud subscription, and then like I give it a try, and it was kind of hard for me. I mean, like it did really good job, but in the cursor you can just like view everything side by side. And I've tried Gemini CLI as well, and Gemini is like worst. I used anti-gravity, and Gemini CLI, Cloud CLI, and but for now I just use Cloud inside this. Cloud, sorry for my pronunciation. Cloud inside this. Wait, I think I tried is Cloud like Cloud Code or oh wait, Cloud Code and Cloud CLI are not same, right? Are they same? Since the same. Okay. So yeah, I just use as like terminal. I'm not used to terminal that much. Okay, we got the result. Three first was it coming ladder. Okay, Luminex, Alta. What the heck, man? Runway, Pika, Luma. Wait, what's this one? Luma. Okay, it's the same. For the pricing, how much? Okay, 30, 90, 300. That's kind of expensive. Hey, for now, we're also looking for some people who can promote our product. I mean, um, I've been doing research around this marketing, and I have found few tactic to actually stand out on this place. So I have one idea, but that requires a lot of people to get involved in that. So that's why we're also looking for them to create uh, videos. Okay, So I guess this will work. So I'll just copy and I'll just trust Grok. The next thing that I want to do is this comment one, and the pricing is okay. This is also okay. And for the broken links, the support, yeah, it works. It's privacy, it works. Trumps, it works. Templates, yeah, actually, like, let's make this template public. For marketing agency, which platform do you use for UGC videos? I mostly use this workflow, like in our agency we like create AI videos as well, and to create that AI videos I use Workspace, and like as I said, like this is perfect, you know. I just like this a lot. Like suppose if you look at this one, I'm gonna show you this Workspace for reference, and you can see this is the model, this is the like another model, okay. And I created this, and I'm gonna show you the output of that. Okay, hold on, give me a few moments. I'm gonna show you the output of how that video turned out after editing and all this stuff. I'm gonna show that right now. Wait. Wait a second. What's that? The page with not this one, actually, yeah, this one. Share this, and let me switch back. Okay, now it's okay. Why is this delayed? Okay, so this one right here, and inside this video. Download.
Have you ever been recognized in public? Yeah, and it was
okay, so let me show you the final result. All right, so yeah, I use that workflow, and you can see the workflow right here. Yeah, this is kind of laggy cause it was like I created that Workspace like a way in the past, and at that time I didn't like optimize all this JSON, like all these nodes. That's why it's kind of laggy right now, but I just generated all those output, and look at this one. And like all those prompt, I didn't like wrote those lengthy prompts. I just write what I want, and I just click on this enhance feature, and I got all those enhanced version of the prompt. And here's the final preview. Look at this.
Have you ever been recognized in public?
Yeah, and it was literally the worst timing ever. I was in the store and then this random dude comes up to me and he was like, yo, I know you. I've seen you somewhere. And literally that was the worst situation. I was so nervous and I was like, oh, I messed up.
Yeah, look at this. I mean, the transition is not like you can see the cut after every 8 seconds, but you can see like it's pretty realistic, you know, the way the model is laughing and the way everything is presented. I see, can't see. What is this not working? Yeah, it's working. Yeah. So yeah, that's what I like, all this. And the best thing is that, you know, like if I go on the workspace, suppose I'm on this workspace, so let me just give it a name, YouTube. Okay, so in this workspace, suppose I want to work on a AI movie. Suppose let's just take an example. So what do you think, what should we create? Let's just create a realistic okay, so I'm just gonna go, I'll just click on this Luminex Copilot, and here it is powered by Grok. So here I'm gonna write, I want to create a realistic female close-up picture, natural skin texture, skin pores, background textured white for a photo shoot. Yeah, I'll just write this and I'll just hit enter, and you can see we got the prompt for that. We got the ultra realistic prompt for that. And let me just do this again. I'll just write make it shot from iPhone 14 camera. By default it uses DSLR because it's, you know, like kind of professional, but I just want it to be realistic, so that's why I'm gonna instruct it to use iPhone 14 camera. And like you can see the prompt is ready, but as a new user I don't know what to do, so I'll just click on yes edit, and it will add that right here. You can see the prompt, the model, and all those details. So here let me select the 16:9 ratio, and 2K is best, and let me just select okay, so for now let me do nano banana. Okay, and let's generate 2 images, and I'll just click on generate, and you will see the light output right here. Okay, and once everything is done, it will like send notification, not notification, it will just like play the notification audio. I'm planning to integrate the notification, but I'm quite confused about that. Like in which model should we send notification, like if the generation is completed, you know. Right now cling motion control takes a lot of time, so cling motion control will have notification like when the generation is completed, then it will mail the user like, okay, your generation is completed, you can check it right here, like that. And okay, so you can see it's not that fast, but it's kind of fast. Okay, so what we got here, okay, look at the skin texture. See, it looks like look at this skin texture. It's amazing, like all these screen details. Why can't I open this in? Okay, so let me just save this workspace so that everything will be up to date. Alright, so now it's saved. Let me go towards the history, and in the history I'll just open this one and look at the details, man. it still looks plastic, but you can always you can give it a more context to the AI, then it will give you more better prompts. We're also working on the AI one, like Chat GPT or Claude. I think they will be best to integrate. Yeah, like we're planning to integrate like few more UGC avatars as well. So there's like I've tried Hazen and Arcades. We're gonna compete with them as well. So later we'll integrate a new section that will uh, lets you create those type of like consistent character for a like long script. Right now you can create consistent character from this AI UGC, and the like model creation is also so simple. Just create unique model, name your model, and choose the model, facet influencer, lifestyle creator, and click on next, and you will. Okay, so let me just give it a demo name. And here you can select everything, like if it is Asian, European, African, anything you want, the hair color, the eye color, the screen, and it will generate a completely new model based on that. Or you can just upload few images on the AI model, and from here you can uh, create a new model based on the image that you have. Okay, so that's it. And image generation, video generation, these are the normal thing. Templates, it will be used for marketing mostly. And history, all your history generation will be appeared, and you can publish them to the community as well. And while Kling 2.6 is crazy, like I'm like Kling 3 is top level, but it's kind of expensive. And like Seedance is also crazy. I just gave this prompt, I was just testing out, and I just write this, and it just generated this.
面试官您好，我叫 U， 我对这个职位充满热情，我相信我能为公司带来价值。面试官您好，我叫。
I just like this one again, and Sora.
I want to show you one thing.
Sora is like easily, like you can easily guess if it is Sora or not, if you know AI. How long have you been working on this project? It's been around 7 months, I guess. Like this the wire diagram, I was planning to I was working on that like a long time ago, because first, in our social media marketing agency, we offer services like cloning people. And at that time I was I'm not gonna lie, I just saw that diagram thing. I got that inspiration from the Yaneten. Okay, and I just saw one. I saw one video as well. Yeah, I saw one video as well, and on that video, like they have shown that type of diagram, the connection node type. And then I thought, like, why not make it for myself? If it works out, it works out. It will be best. And if it didn't, then it will be used in our social media marketing agency to create videos. And personally, right now I'm using this to generate ads for my clients, and like all the UGC ad. And it's so fun to use the workspace. I like that workspace pretty much. Workspace is great. I just like that workspace. Once the Stripe is set up, then it will be way more easier for us to receive the payment. But the Stripe is giving error on the webhook. That's why it's on pending. Yeah, this video is like pretty crazy.
Have you ever been recognized in public?
Okay, the server is not ready yet. Why is this taking way more? Okay. This is not what I want. So right now all those things are kind of lengthy. I want you to remove that, and I want you to show the Luminex one in the text format, and it will be clearly visible. And for other, like other providers, you can just write like you can just use icon like check mark or cross, for yes and no only. Because like putting all those texts, it makes user experience worse, and it is kind of difficult for like users to compare that. So just show the text for Luminex only, and for others, um, like use the icon check marks or not. And also I wanted to fix the testimonials carousel. I wanted to make it as a continuous moving marquee that will go from the right to the left continuously. And other thing is great. I just wanted to do that changes. All right, let's just leave that. And we'll do it. It's work. Well, it's about to be an hour, and I'll end this stream after 1 hour. And from now, I'll try to be live at exactly this time for about 1 hour. So we will gather a community of the people, like-minded people, and we all, I hope we all will get to learn something every day. And I'm just doing like surface level marketing right now, not that much, but like just creating a basic, just letting people know about like, oh, this also exists, like that. This is giving me a lot of problem, man. This cursor, man. I want to upgrade, but my card, it is declining. This is the yeah, it's the free token provided by the application, and it's kind of, I don't, this is not like it doesn't work sometime. It just, I instruct it to do something and it does something, and I just don't like that. That's the one that's pissing me off. 5 credits. Assorts for real. Welcome to the stream, man. Okay, so hey guys, what's up? Okay, so is it done? All right. Yeah, this looks better, and this looked great as well. Yeah. For today, let's do this much, and I'll be live at this exact time tomorrow as well, and I will try to be consistent on this one. So yeah, it was good talking to you, man. Yes, Patel, and thank you for joining the stream. And I'll catch you in the upcoming stream tomorrow. So see you all over there. Like, yeah, I'll see you over there tomorrow, and I'm gonna show you some. Like, I'll update you what happened after that, and I'll be live tomorrow again. So see you over there, and yeah, have a great day, have a great night. Bye bye.